SERV stock, is it the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this 1-minute video, so watch till the end. SERV Robotics sitting at $17.30, like 30% off for the day. The way that I'm approaching SERV is super simple. I'm trying to take it up. So the way that I'll do this is I just want to, I wanted to see the price pull back down in my demand area, and it was only that case in which I would have taken it up, but it just went without me. Which, by the way, yeah, the idea is correct, and we definitely started delivering above the highs and whatnot, but it never at first pulled down exactly into my demand zone for me to, you know, be able to be a part of this trend. So, well, like, is there anything that I would add here? Sure. It's going to mark out new highs. It's going to be the same exact approach. If the price pulls back down into my demand zone and gives me a double breakout, still take it up. Anything else, guess what? It's just noise, and I would not be interested in it. So, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.